guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be opening this Fast and Furious 5-pack, and we also got some other cars that I made a video about another Fast and Furious 5-pack because a while ago I made a video about Fast and Furious 5-pack. So I have this one. So now I got a new Fast and Furious 5-pack. I also got this Tokyo Drift car. No, not Tokyo Drift, but this Fast and Furious car. It's got the nitro in the back. You know, I made a video about this. It's pretty cool. So yeah, we got these cars though. If you want a little quick recap, we got this one, you know, this green. We got this Ford GT40. No, it is a 1972 Ford Grand Tourer Sport. So we got two of them. Cause look, if you take a look at the rims, it's like different. This one has like a little bit more like a star kind of rim. We also got two Impellas. Then we got this Ford. We got the Ford, you know. So it's pretty cool Ford. Next we got the Chevy. This Chevy, you know. It's pretty cool. It's like gray color, you know. It's like kind of armored. You know, it's pretty heavy. Next we got this Corvette in it. So yeah, those are the cars from the other video. So now let's open this one. Let's open the side. Whoa. So now we can just pop it open. Oh, look at that. Now we got the pack out of the package. So yeah, guys, here it is. First car we're going to take a look at is the Impella. The Impella is a pretty nice car. So we're like, I don't know, guys, but like, what am I going to do? I got two. So, okay, guys, I got like two Impellas, you know. There's nothing different about them. You know, these two are just pretty nice. They got the white stripe, you know. They got the little, like, logo here. And they got this nice chrome on it. So, yeah, we got two of those, you know. Next car we're going to take a look at is this one. It is the... Oh, no, it's not on here. It's on the package. It is the 1972 Ford Grand Tourer Sport. So we got two of these. If we take a look, this one has a more darker green. This one has a little bit lighter green. So this one has a different green and this one has a lighter green. And if we take a look at the rims. See, the rims are completely different. They got this like kind of star rim. And then after this one just got like, I don't know what it is, but still, it's pretty cool. I like this one, you know, pretty nice. So now we got two of these cars. We got two of those. Next car we're gonna take a look at is the Ford GT. Yo, this car is awesome. I love the blue on it. It's just very shiny. I also love that white stripe that goes down the middle, and plus I also like the doors a lot. It's got those really nice rims, like kind of like a star a little bit too. And the body of the car is kind of wide and flat. And that's what I really like about the car. It just looks so like awesome. So I can add this car to my collection of my Ford GTs. So yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, these two. Next car we're gonna take a look at is, so yeah, we're taking a look at the next car we got is the Lancer Evolution. The Lancer Evolution was used in Too Fast, Too Furious. So yeah, this car is like really big. It's also got this cool, like really weird color on it. And it's got this like blue stripe that's going down the car and these like weird cubes. But honestly, the car is pretty cool and I kind of like it. It's pretty nice, you know. Nothing much to say about it, but it's pretty cool. Take a look. It's also got this thing on the top, you know. So yeah. And the last car we have is the one I've been waiting for. Ooh, we got the Nissan 350Z. This Nissan came with a black and beautiful color. It's also got this cool blacker hood But this, the body of the car is black, but this one is like a little bit more darker shade of black. It's also got this cool like bug on the car too, which is pretty nice. But I don't get it. Like on the side, there's like nothing, but on this side, there's like a lot of stuff on it. But I don't know. It just looks. I don't like it, But it's actually a very nice car. I like it a lot. But yeah, cool Nissan. But yeah. But yeah, guys, it's the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe. And go check out my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. And yeah, guys, hope you have a good day. And yeah, bye.